Hi, I'm Michelle, and today I'm going to guide you through a simple routine of exercises that will help you regain your balance. Now, we're going to start these exercises standing either next to a wall or next to a chair. You can see I've got the back of a chair here. If you're at high risk of falling, make sure you have someone standing by to support you in case that's needed. I'd also like you to wear well-fitting shoes or bare feet. Please don't do these exercises wearing thongs, loose shoes, or high heels. At the end of our routine, I'll give you some tips for progressing these exercises too. So we're going to start first of all with our little warm-up of calf raises. Now, I'd like you to either start standing facing the wall or the back of your chair. Hold on to the wall or the chair and keep your gaze straight ahead. Let's lift up onto the balls of the feet and down. And go again, lifting up and down. Take the feet as high as you can, the heels as high as you can off the ground, and down slowly. Keep looking ahead. Resist that temptation to look at your feet. Stay tall. Let's do a couple more there. Lifting and lowering, and one more time, lifting and lowering, and relax. Now, how easy is that? You could do that at the kitchen bench while you're waiting for the jug to boil. Now, let's do that same exercise again. This time, reduce how much you're holding on if you're able to. So rather than the two hands, you might like to go fingertips or even one hand if you're able to. Let's go again. Keep the gaze straight ahead. Lift up tall and down. Keep your posture lengthened, nice and tall. Chest is lifted and down. And see if you can just go onto the fingertips if you're able to, or one hand up and down. Let's do a couple more of those. Nice and high, lifting up and lowering down slowly, and one more time, lifting and lowering down slowly. How are you going with that at home? We've done our little warm-up now. Let's move on. So now our next exercise, you might remember that last time we did an exercise called tandem standing, and we're going to do an exercise called tandem walking. So our tandem standing was one foot in front of the other, all right? So with our tandem walking, and again, you can be holding onto a wall if you need to. And I'll just do a little demonstration here. One foot in front of the other and one foot in front of the other. And then you can turn around, heel toe. And once again, you're resisting the temptation to look down at your feet. You're trying to look straight ahead. And I'm trying very hard to resist that temptation. I really feel that I want to look down at my toes. Go again, one more time. Stay looking straight ahead. Keep your chest raised. Hold onto the chair and just feel the exercise. And then turn around, and we'll do that one more time, going back, along and back. And you can imagine you could do this on the corridor, walking along the corridor at home. Okay, so that's our tandem standing and tandem walking exercise. Our next exercise is to stand side onto your chair, and we're going to do a step forward, step back, and step to the side. So holding onto the wall of the chair, take the outside leg and step forward. Good, and now take it back. Now I'd like you to step out to the side, away from the chair or the wall. Okay, now let's step back. Try not to look at your feet. Let's repeat that again. Step forward. Step back. Step to the side. Step back. And step forward again. How are you going? When it's a bit unpredictable, it makes the exercise and the balance challenge a little bit harder. All right, same thing on the other side. So other leg, step this leg back. Now step forward. You can see that I'm transferring my weight onto that foot, take it back, and transfer the weight forward, fully forward. Take it to the side. Now take it back. And one more time to the side. Nearly tricked myself then, and back to centre. So that's our little stand and step exercise. Our third exercise we're going to do is walking on your toes. So tiptoe walking, lifting as high as you can onto the balls of your feet if you're able to, again holding onto your support as necessary, and take some little steps forward. Come down to turn around and tiptoe back. Little steps, stay looking forward. Turn around And one more time. Little tiptoe steps. That's it. Great. Stay tall. Come down. Turn around. And tiptoe back. And turn around. Thing is to come down, isn't it, when you're turning around, not tiptoe and turn around. It's a bit tricky. This time we're going to do walking forward on our heels. This is our last one. So heel walking, again, that's really narrowing your base of support. So we're going to go heel walk forward, again, little steps, and stop and turn around. Heel walking back, again, little steps, try to look forward, not at your feet, stop, turn around. Let's do one more time each way. Heels forward, and stop, and take it back. Here's our last one. And stop, and turn around, and take a break for a moment. So there's a number of ways you can progress these exercises. For example, we've talked about using less support. So try to hold onto the support less if you can. Your ultimate goal might be to actually do these exercises standing away from the wall or the chair without needing to hold on at all. The other way of progressing is to increase the speed of your exercises. So this might involve changing direction a little bit faster. Perhaps you can work with a partner to tell you when to stop, when to start, and when to change direction to make the exercises a little bit more unpredictable. Perhaps you have some other balance exercises that help your walking that we all might find helpful. I'd love to hear your ideas. Let me know in the comments below. So I really hope these balance exercises help you improve your walking balance. If you found this video helpful, I'd really appreciate you giving the video the thumbs up, and I'll see you next time.